Hey there, bot makers. This is your buddy Peter from Cashbot.ai, and I'm here to talk to you about this new enhancement, this huge tool, this new thing that we have just released that I'm extremely excited to talk to you about, and I'm sure this is going to be an integral part about how you use Cashbot.ai and how you make money going forward. Um, Before we get into it, real quick, have you seen this? $210,000 in 2019. We Cashbot AI has paid bot makers, publishers like yourself, almost $250,000 in this year, and we're not even we're just finishing third quarter. Unbelievable. We've got at least a dozen, over close to 15 publishers that are making between $5,000 and $10,000 a month, easy. Um, and probably another 50 that are making between 3 and 5. This is just incredible news, and I can't wait to see this pop up to 500 grand in the coming quarters. So back to this enhancement. This enhancement is something that we've been beta testing for the last 3 months with some of our core publishers and partners. I'm extremely excited to talk to you about it. It's called campaign transparency, and the reason why we're calling it that is because that's what it is. It's provides you, the bot maker, 100% transparency into what sort of ad campaign is running, what's coming, where's it targeted, how much does it pay when a user clicks. It's super simple to implement. In fact, there's literally no difference than before. You just place the ad within your chatbot, and in fact, you want to place it multiple places because now you have access to multiple different ads simultaneously and can control what's shown and what isn't. And then you control what sorts of ads you want to show. What in the interface within Cashbot AI, and our backend handles it all. Okay. So, and you know what? If you get a little lost, plenty of tutorials out on Medium. So just lots of resources. All right, so let's get started. Okay, I'm on the dashboard. I'm going to create a new ad agent. Okay, and I'm going to call it September 17th because that's today, and this is new. And I want you guys to know that it's happening in real time. All right, saved. I'm going to quickly copy. I'm going to go into Chat Fuel. I got my post. Boop. Paste it in. I can go in and test the request if I want, just to see that things are working well. And of course they are. All right. But there's nothing different about that, right? There's nothing. That's the way it's always been. Boom. Next, unlock, add content. Okay, this is what this is all about. Being able to control the content that you're going to be showing your users. I've created a new agent. I just got to map that to an existing or a new chatbot. In this case, I've built out a Cleveland Browns trivia chatbot. Okay, so I got an American football Cleveland Browns trivia chatbot, and you can imagine all the cool ads that would make sense to display within that sort of ad, within that sort of chatbot. All right, here's the new button right here. Update campaigns. Boom. I'm a new user. I've been provisioned to start, in this case, 8 new campaigns. So I have access to 8 campaigns. 2 different views. Hope you like both. They all have the same sorts of information. Each card is a specific ad campaign. So category, sports, earnings, per click on this campaign, I'm going to make between 10 and 30 cents. Target US, personal finance, a penny to a dime per click. Target India. We have notes. Get some more information in terms of the actual campaign itself. In this case, FanDuel mobile app downloads, right? So for that Cleveland Browns chatbot that I'm going to be showing you, that makes a lot of sense, right? Here we go, 35 cents. Automobile insurance, okay. Look at this, 75 cents per click, targeting USA. Hearing aids, you can make a lot of money. What do we got here? Fitbit, global, unbelievable, right? So let's just start with Let's start with auto insurance just to show you guys how it works. So I've already implemented my API, as you saw. I'm going to save that ad content. That means it's saved, and here's what I implemented. Now, pro tip, everything defaults to three cards in a carousel. So if I want to show just one, right, n equals 1, and that should just show me one card. I've set it up so that I hit surprise me, and there you go. There's my zebra car insurance. Click it. Just made myself a little money. Let's change it up again. Deselect that. Let's go to Eargo. Let's go to the hearing aids, right? There's a little blog right here to give you some more insight on how to implement some of the best practices. Save it. Let's try it again. Look at that. So now I'm in complete control, right? And so you can imagine, you can envision any sort of chatbot where you're asking users questions. You know, does anyone you know suffer from hearing loss? Yes, maybe, no. The folks that are answering yes and maybe, is it you? Is it a family member? Do they have a hearing aid? Would they like to hear about this awesome company, this awesome offer for hearing aids? Those that select yes, they're going to click this 100% of the time, right? And that's how we're going to see quality users driven to our advertisers, and they're going to be successful, and that means that you're going to be successful. So that's what the name of the game is. Let's deselect these guys. Let's just do the FanDuel again. Save it. Now this time, like, you know, it's Cleveland Browns football trivia, right? Now you can imagine somebody writing fantasy football, right? I set up an AI rule. There you go. Right, now you can go in and you can change this to n equals 5, n equals 10. It always is going to default. It's always going to show everything if you give it that opportunity. But by doing it this way, you can prioritize and take control of what's being shown in that number one card. Other pieces of info that you need to pay attention to: if something this is targeting India. I'm in the United States. I'm not going to be able to see this if I test it because it's targeting India. If you're in India and you want to see an Eargo ad, you're not going to be able to see it. So just know that our back end is always managing the targeting. Check back often, because these are not only are these going to be increasing, but even more lucrative ads are going to start showing up. And for some of our partners that demonstrate they have a quality audience, they're easy to work with, they're going to get access to something even more lucrative. And I'm talking $1 a click. I'm talking $1.25 a click. I'm talking people making between $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 a month just by building cool chatbots. We're not talking about spam. We're not talking about broadcast. We're talking about just news related, informational related, horoscopes, weather, all kinds of cool chatbots that people enjoy making, and they're getting paid. All right, now I just displayed a couple ads, clicked on my own. Let's go check it out. Here in reporting, we can filter by every ad agent, by every chatbot, and by different time horizons. So what did I make today? September 17th. Last 30 days. Let's look at the last 24 hours. There it is, 90 cents. Boom, there it is, right? So you're going to see that update approximately every 15 minutes or so, but you know, that's real money right there. So yeah, so I mean, take advantage, get out there, acquire users that map to these campaigns. I can't tell you how important it is to just acquire users. I mean, to acquire users that map to these campaigns. We have USA users right here. You don't have USA users, but your chatbot's, palatable, consumable to a US audience. Guys, 75 cents a click. If you can't acquire a user for less than 75 cents, I don't know what to say. But all you need to do is get acquire a user, 75 cents, have them click on the ad, they just paid for themselves. So take the money that you're making, reinvest, acquire more users, right? This is definitely we have a lot of publishers that are growing massive audiences on the back of our advertisers. And so that's really it. That's all I got to say. Plenty of tutorials out there. And I encourage you to get in touch with us if you have any questions. Email support at Cashbot.ai. You can always use this guy right here, but email is always better because we're a small team. Not everyone's manning this, but nonetheless, we will get back to you. So again, I hope that you can participate in this. I hope you take full advantage of campaign transparency, and I look forward to seeing folks get absurdly large checks at the end of the month with Cashbot AI. Okay, have a great day.